Welcome to my channel. I'm Yusuf by name. There is new tax available on PAWS Telegram farming mining app. So let's dive in. Here is the interface here already. Because of the network, I have to open it. Locate your PAWS Telegram app and open it to this level. You have to click on hand here over here. So click on it. While waiting for you, click on it and let me know. So click on it, click on start. So there will be start. Click on start. Choose your default browser. So I have several other I have most of this browser on my system, on my device. So I will choose Chrome because I've already cleared the browser captures and history, so that the the app won't dictate multiple accounts on my device. No. So I choose. So after the browser is being loaded, click on this area, that's the menu bar or menu button. Click on it. You'll see something of, instead of claiming, you have to click on this that is the tax we want to do, pre-market. Click on pre-market. Click on pre-market here. Okay. So click on it. You say what the pre-market info. You must be eligible for PAWS drop in order to access this page. The pre-market page will be available soon. This tax is just let us know that there's going to be pre-market page in this app very soon, and the purpose of the pre-market page already been disseminated in the PAWS community. Let's go to the community so that we can know what they were intended to do with the pre-market page. Let me use one that is easy to access here. So here is what they said. Top secret. PAWS pre-market soon. You will be able to buy and sell PAWS before token launch. So get your wallet ready. That is what they wrote here. So we are told to get our wallet ready so that we will be able to buy and sell PAWS at pre-market price. So guys, if you like what we are saying, please tap on the subscribe button and like and share the video so that will encourage me and keep me growing. Give me positive vibe. Thank you for your time.